How to apply presets to your photos in Lightroom. First of all, open the Lightroom Presets app on your device and select a preset from the library that you want to apply to your photo by tapping the Open button. Next, choose the Open Preset option. This will open the Lightroom app with the selected presets already loaded. Then tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Copy Settings from the drop-down menu. Now go back and select the photo you want to edit. Tap the three dots again and select Paste Settings. You have now successfully applied the preset to your photo in Lightroom, giving it a professional and consistent look. Now you know how to apply presets to your photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.